Everybody, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I will be showing you the Google Authenticator and how to set up with your Binance application. So first thing is go to your Play Store and download Google Authenticator. So if you don't have this application already, just go and install it and open and create an account. So the Google Authenticator does not allow screen recording or screenshotting of the image, but I can show you how to do it in the Binance application. So once you open up your Binance application, wait till the application completely boots up, then I'll show you how to do it. So once the application is booted up, all you have to do is to go to the Binance option on the top left corner where your profile is at. So once you go to the Binance, here you will see different sort of settings. Go to the setting on the top right corner, then go and find the option of the Google Authenticator that must be in the in your profile section, go to the account center, and in the account center go to the security. So once you're in the security section, you will see the Authenticator app. So once you go and tap on it, you will see there is an Authenticator app, for example, which I added on the September of 8. So all you have to do is to add an app here. Once you do it, you will see an Authenticator option to connect it with the Google Authenticator. So once you connect it with your Google Authenticator, you will get a key. All you have to do is to paste it in the Google Authenticator, and from there you will receive a code of 6 digit, then paste it in the Binance application, and boom, that's it. That's how you can connect your Authenticator application. So that's pretty much it. I hope you find this video helpful.